Hey guys, welcome back to Ceramic Pro Sarasota. Picking up our next project here. Full ceramic coating. Any of you guys like outdoor gear? We love it too, bring it on over. You're probably asking, why is there a Can-Am here? Well, we're gonna ceramic coat the whole entire Can-Am. You see all this dirt, see all this mud, see all this stuff stuck to this. After a hard day going out and playing, the last thing you wanna do, clean your ride. With our ceramic coating, all this dirt, all this dust, all this crap that's stuck on your off-road machine comes right off. So we're gonna ceramic coat plastics, interior seats, suspension parts, all this plastic in here that's weathered and beat up. We're gonna restore it, clean it, coat it, all these rims, everything coated. Our goal is when you go out with your friends, you're the first one drinking a beer while they're still cleaning all their gear. Got another Aston Martin over here for one of our vendors, Lamborghini Sarasota, getting it all cleaned up. We'll send that back over there and pick up another car for them. But let's go ahead and let's see what we got going on inside. All right, so today we got a little bit of the same flavor, but a little bit of some new flavor as well. Here at Ceramic Pro, we like the new, actually sorry, pretty much new cars. This one right here just now is getting its ceramic coating. Andy is running around here somewhere putting the coating on. So the coating's drawn the paint, wheels here, windows, and we're gonna go ahead and hit the whole entire interior. This car will be protected, and the Dimmitt Automotive Group out of Tampa will be coming picking this up on an enclosed container and bringing it back to the owner, door-to-door delivery service. Concierge, can't beat that. This is actually the same owner of that really unique ride outside. This one's underneath its paint correction currently, and then it'll be getting ceramic coated early next week once the paint correction is done. Let's kind of go ahead and take a look at what we got over here. Backdraft Cobra kit, built in South Africa. It's got the 427. It's been powered with a Roush up to 550 horsepower. Absolute beauty. It is in here for a full paint correction, ceramic coating, wheel coating, window coating, only one window obviously, as well as an interior coating. Definitely a spectacle of beauty. Does need some work on the paint correction side of things. The car is in great shape, but everybody comes to us because we like to make sure it's finished off correctly. It's another car for Lamborghini Sarasota. This is actually one of their vehicles that's up for sale. This one was purchased by a previous client. Actually has our ceramic coating on it already. Doing just a standard coating maintenance. And this is going down to Naples Auto Show this weekend. As well as a couple more that'll be coming here today for us. Over here you're looking at the real deal. 1969 Camaro, Z28, 302 in it, 4-speed granny shifter on the floor. Beautiful car. In here for a full paint correction, ceramic coating, as well as it's going to be up for sale. So consignment sale as well. So that's what we have going on in this building right now. The other building has got some guys working in it. We have some window tint going on over there, as well as some vehicle wrap. So definitely check us out if you're interested in that too. And I hope these videos are good, you guys like them, and we'll talk to you soon. Thank you.